In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos via Dropbox tutorial. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to share one photo or a whole group without juggling email addresses or compressing files. We'll keep it simple and fast. Start by opening Dropbox and finding the photo you want to send. When you see it, click the small checkbox next to the file to select it. If you're sharing multiple photos, it's usually faster to put them all into a single folder first. Then select that folder instead of selecting each photo one by one. Grouping them keeps everything together and makes the link you create easier for the recipient to navigate. If your photos are already organized, you're a step ahead. With your photo or folder selected, look for the Share button. You'll typically see it near the top of the screen or when you right-click the file or folder. Click Share, and a window will pop up showing different sharing options. This is where many people start typing email addresses, but there's a faster, more flexible method that avoids managing recipients altogether. At the bottom of that share window, find the option labeled Create a Link. Click it. Dropbox will generate a unique URL just for this file or folder. Once it's created, click Copy Link. If you've made a link before, you might see that it already exists. No problem. Just copy it again. This link is specific to what you selected, so it only gives access to that photo or folder, not your entire account. Now, paste that link wherever you want to share it. Drop it into a text message, paste it into an email, or send it in your favorite chat app. The best part is that the person on the other end doesn't need a Dropbox account to view or download the photos. They can open the link, see exactly what you shared, and save the files in full quality. If you're sharing a folder, they'll see all the photos inside at once, which is perfect for albums or event shots. That's all it takes. High-quality photos sent in seconds, with a single link you control. If you want to keep your message clear, include a short note like vacation photos or final edits when you paste the link, so the recipient knows what to expect. You're all set. With these steps, you can share quickly, avoid email clutter, and make sure your photos look as good as they should. Done.